Feeling overwhelmed, stressed? You're not alone. But what if there was a way to build an unbreakable inner calm, no matter what happens around you? Welcome to Stoic meditation, a timeless technique that trains your mind to find peace in any situation. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by things outside your control? Life throws challenges at us all the time. Stress, anger, fear. But what if the key to peace isn't changing the world, but changing how you react to it? That's exactly what Stoic meditation teaches us. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy about mastering your mind. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Stoic meditation isn't about emptying your mind. It's about training your thoughts. It's a daily practice where you reflect on what's truly in your control, your opinions, your actions, your attitude, and accept what's not, other people, the past, the future. Here's how you can start. First, pause. Notice what's bothering you. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, focus on what you can do. If not, let it go. Second, prepare your mind for challenges. Imagine difficulties ahead and decide how you will respond calmly and wisely. Third, at the end of the day, review your reactions. Celebrate where you stayed calm and learn where you gave in to frustration. By practicing this daily, you build resilience and inner peace. No matter what chaos surrounds you, your mind becomes a fortress. Remember Epictetus's words, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Start your journey today. Master your mind. Master your life.